Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we are going to see how to create coming soon landing page template in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download the project file, link in the description. With the project file, it will be much easier for you to follow this tutorial. So download the project file, watch this video completely. If you find this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel. Fine, let's get started. First, go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a PSD file called coming soon page. Open the PSD file inside Photoshop. This one is design ready file. Right from layers panel, guidelines, everything is ready for designing. First we are going to bring in our image. Now go to the folder you downloaded. Open the image one inside Photoshop. You can use UI image. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Okay, I'm going to place it at the center. Next we are going to create a mask layer. Create a layer, go to color picker, select black color, select rectangle tool and create a rectangle tool covering our entire canvas. So we're going to use this one as a masking layer, more like to reduce the visibility of our image. I'm going to reduce the opacity to 20%. So in case later if we want to increase the visibility, means we can just adjust the opacity. So for that we are going with this rectangle shape. Okay, next we are going to create a divider line. For that, go to design folder, create a layer, name it as line, go to color picker, select white color, then go to shapes tool and select line tool. I'll keep the weight as 2 pixels and create a line. Using guidelines as reference, I'm going to place it at the center. Fine. Next we are going to create square shapes for our countdown, hours, minutes, seconds. For that, create a layer, name it as hours. Go to shapes tool, select rectangle, give a click and create a square which reads 130 by 130. Now I'm going to place it somewhere here. So I'll reduce the opacity down to 15%. Next, create a duplicate copy of that layer. By holding shift key, bring it down. Now I'm going to name this one as minutes. Increase the opacity to 100%. Next, create another duplicate copy, name it as seconds. By holding shift key, bring it down below. Now we are going to change the color of this shape. Double click the icon. I'll keep the color as purple. Okay. Next we are going to create another shape. For that, go to color picker, select red color, create a layer. Create a layer, name it as days. Select rectangle tool, give a click and create a layer. Create a rectangle layer shape which reads 260 by 260. I'll change the color to red. Now place it somewhere here. Now I'm going to adjust the spacing between the line and the shapes. By holding shift key, select all those squares we created now. I'll move it a little bit left side. Okay. Now go to the folder you downloaded. Open image 2 inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Now we are going to clip mask this image. For that, right click, create clip masking. By doing so, the image will be visible only inside the base layer. Now I'm going to resize the image by enabling free transform to Ctrl T. By holding Shift key, I'm going to resize the image. I'll place it somewhere here. Okay. So now our shapes are ready. Now next we are going to create our text content. For that, go to the text layer, text folder, create a new layer. Go to color picker, select white color, enable text tool. The font I'm using here is called Letter font. It's a free font. You can download it. I'll give the link in the description. I'm going to type coming soon. Okay. Next we are going to create our hours, minutes, seconds text content. Keep the size for this one as 40 pixels. I'll keep the size this one as 20 pixels. Now we're going to create a duplicate copy. By holding Shift key, select those two layers and click Ctrl J to duplicate the text layer. Now we're going to change the color as black. As purple. Place it down below. Edit the text. Next we're going to repeat the very same step. Select those layers, hit Ctrl J to duplicate the layers, change the color as white, bring it down below, edit the text. Next we are going to create our company name at the left side top. So we are done with our text content. Next we are going to bring in our logo and social media icons. For that, go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a mockup logo. Open the logo inside Photoshop. You can use your logo. Drag and drop it. I'm going to paste this one inside icons. So paste it here. I'll name this one as logo. Next, we are going to add our social media icons at the right hand bottom. Go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a PSD file called icons. Open the file inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop those Facebook and Twitter icons. You can close the file. I'll bring those two icons down below. Make sure the spacings are even. So our coming soon landing page template is ready. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.